Welcome to Decobloom. Are you dreaming of transforming your home into a French countryside retreat filled with rustic elegance and timeless charm? Today we're exploring stunning Provençal decor ideas that bring the beauty of southern France into your living space. These simple yet sophisticated touches will help you create an authentic atmosphere of warmth, comfort, and Mediterranean style. Let's get started. Create an intimate reading retreat with a beautifully upholstered vintage Louis XIV style armchair that combines comfort with French elegance. Choose soft pastel fabrics featuring delicate floral patterns in lavender and sage green to capture the essence of Provence. The curved wooden legs and ornate carved details showcase exceptional craftsmanship from a bygone era. Position your chair near natural light with a small side table for tea and books, transforming any corner into a peaceful sanctuary for relaxation and contemplation. Bring the fragrant beauty of Provence indoors by displaying fresh lavender bundles in weathered ceramic vases throughout your home. This simple, yet elegant touch connects your space to the iconic lavender fields of southern France while providing natural aromatherapy benefits. Arrange vases of varying heights on console tables, mantels, or shelving to create visual interest and organic texture. The purple blooms against cream and terracotta glazes perfectly capture the Provençal color palette, adding rustic charm and Mediterranean sophistication to any room. Illuminate your dining space with a stunning wrought-iron chandelier that serves as both functional lighting and artistic focal point. The gracefully curved arms with aged patina and decorative scrollwork details embody old-world craftsmanship and timeless French style. Candle-style lights create warm, romantic ambience perfect for gathering around the farmhouse table with family and friends. This statement piece instantly elevates your room, casting gentle shadows that enhance the rustic elegance of exposed beams and plastered walls characteristic of Provençal interiors. Master the art of Provençal window dressing by layering sheer muslin curtains with dense fabric drapes and soft pastels like sage green or lavender. This combination provides privacy and light control while maintaining an airy, romantic atmosphere throughout your space. The sheer inner layer diffuses natural sunlight beautifully, creating soft, filtered illumination that enhances your interior throughout the day. Hang curtains on decorative wrought-iron rods with ornate finials, allowing them to puddle slightly on the floor for added elegance and authentic French countryside charm. Ground your kitchen or entryway with authentic terracotta tile flooring that brings warm Mediterranean character and timeless appeal to your home. These handmade tiles in reddish-brown tones feature natural variations and weather patina that add rustic charm and visual interest underfoot. The earthy material connects your interior to centuries of Provençal tradition while providing durable, practical flooring for high-traffic areas. Terracotta tiles pair beautifully with cream-plastered walls and exposed wooden beams, creating a cohesive French country aesthetic that feels both elegant and welcoming. Make a dramatic statement in your bedroom or hallway with a magnificent weathered wooden armoire featuring beautiful aged patina and ornate carved details. Choose pieces painted in soft gray-blue with intentional distressing that reveals natural wood beneath, creating authentic vintage character. The tall cabinet with double doors and antique brass hardware provides ample storage while serving as a stunning focal point. This furniture piece embodies French craftsmanship and romantic Provençal style, adding both functionality and timeless elegance to your living space. Showcase a curated collection of artisan pottery and handcrafted ceramics on open wooden shelving to celebrate Mediterranean craftsmanship and rustic beauty. Display earthenware bowls, serving platters, and pitchers in cream, terracotta, and sage green glazes, arranging pieces by size and color for visual harmony. Each handmade item brings unique character and texture to your kitchen or dining area, creating an authentic Provençal atmosphere. Open shelving keeps your beautiful pottery accessible for daily use while transforming functional storage into attractive display space that enhances your French country interior. Transform an ordinary wall into a dramatic focal point with exposed natural stone that adds rich texture and old-world character to your living space. The irregular stones in warm beige and gray tones fitted with aged mortar create visual interest and connect your interior to rural French landscapes. This architectural feature provides stunning backdrop for comfortable linen furniture and vintage accessories, grounding your room with authentic Mediterranean style. Soft lighting enhances the dimensional quality of the stone surface, casting shadows that emphasize depth and timeless rustic elegance. Center your dining room around a magnificent rustic farmhouse table crafted from solid reclaimed wood with natural grain patterns and weathered finish. This substantial piece becomes the heart of your home, inviting family gatherings and memorable meals filled with Provençal warmth and hospitality. Surround the table with mismatched vintage chairs featuring rush seats and painted finishes in soft whites and grays for authentic French country charm. The generous surface accommodates ceramic serving bowls, fresh herbs, and candlelight, creating the perfect setting for rustic elegance and timeless style. Layer your sofa with an artful arrangement of linen throw pillows featuring traditional toile de Jouy patterns and delicate floral motifs in muted colors. Choose designs depicting pastoral scenes in soft blue on cream backgrounds, combined with botanical prints in lavender, sage, and blush tones for sophisticated charm. The varied pillow sizes create dimensional texture against natural linen upholstery, while adding authentic French countryside character. This simple decorating technique transforms ordinary seating into inviting, elegant spaces that capture the romantic spirit of Provençal design with minimal effort and maximum impact. Dress your bed with beautiful crocheted and embroidered blankets that showcase intricate handmade details and artisanal craftsmanship central to Provençal style. Layer a cream-colored crochet throw with delicate lacework across the foot of the bed, topped with embroidered linens featuring lavender sprigs and scrollwork patterns. These handcrafted textiles in soft whites and naturals add warmth, texture, and romantic French countryside charm to your sleeping quarters. The exceptional needlework and vintage aesthetic create an inviting retreat that celebrates traditional crafts and timeless elegance in every carefully stitched detail. Embrace authentic French country style by incorporating painted furniture pieces with intentionally distressed finishes that reveal layers of history and character. Choose dressers, side tables, or cabinets in soft whites with worn edges, subtle crackling, and gentle patina that suggest generations of use and care. This weathered aesthetic adds romantic Provençal authenticity without appearing overly aged or shabby, striking the perfect balance between elegance and rustic charm. Pair distressed furniture with ornate brass hardware and display fresh flowers or vintage books on top for a complete French countryside look. Enhance your entryway or living space with a stunning ornate mirror featuring an elaborately carved wooden frame in weathered gold and cream finish. The distressed gilding and vintage patina on decorative scrollwork and floral motifs add romantic French elegance while reflecting natural light to brighten and visually expand your room. Large mirrors serve both functional and aesthetic purposes, creating dramatic focal points that draw the eye and enhance your home's sophisticated character. Position above a rustic console table with lavender bundles and candles for authentic Provençal charm and timeless appeal. Elevate your kitchen with beautiful marble countertops in soft cream with delicate gray veining that perfectly blend rustic elements with refined Mediterranean elegance. The natural stone slabs display unique patterns and polished finish that catch natural light, creating luminous work surfaces for cooking and gathering. Marble adds sophisticated luxury to farmhouse kitchens while complementing painted cabinets, exposed wooden beams, and terracotta tile flooring. Style your marble counters with Artisan ceramic bowls, fresh herbs and terracotta pots, and vintage brass fixtures for authentic Provençal style that's both beautiful and functional. Anchor your seating arrangement with a large off-white or jute area rug that adds natural texture and softens hard wooden floors throughout your living space. Natural fiber rugs and neutral tones complement the earthy Provençal palette while providing warmth and comfort underfoot, creating inviting spaces for relaxation and conversation. The organic woven texture adds dimensional interest without overwhelming your room's rustic furnishings and vintage accessories. This foundational design element ties together sofas, chairs, and tables while maintaining the understated Mediterranean elegance characteristic of authentic French country interiors. Bring practical beauty and Provençal countryside flavors into your kitchen by displaying fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme in vintage terracotta pots on sunny windowsills. The fragrant plants reaching toward natural light add living greenery and culinary convenience while enhancing your French country aesthetic with organic texture and earthy containers. Weathered ceramic vessels with aged patina vary in size and character, creating charming vignettes that connect your cooking space to Mediterranean gardens. This simple decorating idea combines form and function, providing fresh ingredients while celebrating the natural living central to Provençal design philosophy. Maximize natural light and create seamless indoor-outdoor flow with tall, elegant French doors featuring distinctive arched tops and classic divided light patterns. These architectural elements painted in soft white with subtle distressing open onto terraces or gardens, inviting Provençal landscapes into your living space while maintaining refined sophistication. Sheer white curtains billowing gently in the breeze add romantic movement, while abundant sunlight floods through expansive glass, creating beautiful patterns on terracotta floors. French doors blur boundaries between interior comfort and exterior beauty, embodying the Mediterranean lifestyle of easy elegance and connection to nature. Add feminine charm and traditional Provençal character to your bedroom with delicate floral wallpaper featuring lavender sprigs, roses, and botanical motifs in muted tones. Choose patterns in sage green, dusty pink, and cream on off-white backgrounds for subtle sophistication that enhances rather than overwhelms your sleeping quarters. Apply wallpaper to a single accent wall behind your bed to create a romantic focal point without committing to pattern throughout the entire room. This classic French country decorating technique adds visual interest and gentle color while maintaining the serene, elegant atmosphere essential for restful bedrooms. There you have it, beautiful ways to bring Provençal charm and rustic elegance into your home. From distressed wooden beams to lavender displays, marble countertops to vintage armoires, each element adds authentic French countryside character to your space. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Decobloom for more interior inspiration, and share your decorating journey with us.